Have you thought how much your vehicle would cost after owning it for 2 months? Well, I did. And I went to Tesla website and put in some informations. And this is what Tesla gave me for trading value. I just did this about a couple minutes ago, about 5 minutes ago. So all I did was just put in my VIN number, and they populated the odometer, because I guess they know how much, and no accident, and the vehicle conditions, and they just gave it good. And this is the amount that they're willing to take in: 41,500 all the way to 45,900 as of today. And they know it's a Model Y long range. And with the same vehicle, I got this from the website for a new vehicle if I were to purchase it today. And this is how much it would cost me. Vehicle price $56,999 is because of the red color. And destination fees $1,300 and order fee $250. Total bringing out to $58,630. So this can not including tax. Okay. So 45. So after owning it for my vehicle for 2 months, now it's at what, 58 and 41, $17,000 that I'm losing already. That's kind of crazy. And if you're buying the vehicle now, you know, you're gonna get the $7,500 tax incentive, and you will also qualify for the California rebate program. That's another $2,000, and I heard that they're probably gonna go up to about $4,500, depending on your income as well. So that's a lot of savings. But look, so for the people that purchased it back in December 2022, not good for us. We're not getting any incentive at all. No rebates, none of the stuff. That's not fair. But that's what it is for 2 months owning a Tesla. Your value of the vehicle is down to $41,000 to $45,000. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys like the video, please get a thumbs up. If you love the video, please subscribe and follow for more videos. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.